Breaker key K559558BAL.
Terra leader Squamata troublemakers, known as the Nortean Wolves. Bounty, 1,000,000 hex.
I'll take it.
Actually, Pumpkin, I think I'll take it.
Huh?
One would hate to mess up that lovely hairdo.
Aw, shucks. Are you trying to scare me or something? 'Cause you really suck at it.
Okay then, fine. We'll play it your way, shall we?
What the? My ship!
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you need it? Thanks for this.
Ta-ta. Are you just gonna let her get away with that?
Actually, yes. You will need to resolve this situation on your own.
Blade, heal. Are we ready? Okay, Blondibel, bring it on.
What interest do these off-worlders have with us? That human has a new playmate. Let's keep an eye on them both.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you two knights doing? She's getting away.
Halt. This is a restricted area under the protection of the Sol Triumvirate. Stand back or we will proceed with the use of deadly force. This is your final warning. Thank you.
My breaker key!
I said this is your final warning.
Okay, Ginger Pants. You can just stop there. Huh?